Hello guys, how to create a recovery drive in Windows 11 and Windows 10. You can easily create a recovery drive in your system, and to do so go to Windows search and type recovery, and from the search result click on create a recovery drive. Click on it, a pop-up window will appear and click OK yes, and recovery drive, create a recovery drive. Even if your PC can't restart, you can use the recovery drive to reset it or troubleshoot problems. If you backup system files to this drive, you will also be able to use it to reinstall Windows. Click on next, and recovery drive will creation of recovery drive will start. It will take some times, wait for some times. After that, connect a USB flash drive. The drive must be able to hold at least 32 GB, and everything on the drive will be deleted. USB flash drive and choose next and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. It will create a recovery drive for your